Up next, meet the Exway Flex Pro, the standout choice for the best mid-range electric skateboard in 2024. This model is an enhanced version of the Exway Flex ER, boasting greater speed, improved performance, and most notably, increased power. The manufacturer has also revamped its mobile application, Xskate, now featuring an upgraded user interface and enhanced functionality. The Exway Flex Pro includes a state-of-the-art gallium nitride fast charger that supports dual charging, setting it apart from its competitors. But what truly sets the Exway Flex Pro apart is its peak power output of 2520 watts. The question remains, can it outperform its competitor, the Meepo Voyager X, in terms of driving experience and overall construction? Let's delve into its specifications. The latest R3 remote control in the Exway Flex series features an ergonomic design and additional features such as route tracking, online and offline firmware updates, and Bluetooth 5.0. This model also flaunts larger 90mm wheels, promising a smoother ride. The revamped Xskate app allows users to personalize their board ride settings and displays essential board information like temperature and mileage. With an upgraded electronic speed controller for superior performance and a redesigned deck for the perfect balance of flexibility and stability, the Exway Flex Pro achieves a top speed of 31 miles per hour and a range of 25 miles. Given these impressive specs, the Exway Flex Pro should prove ideal for your daily commutes. Its handling is smooth, and the board glides effortlessly, making it a great choice for urban environments. Thumbs up!